Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Lowe Pro for remodeling quotes and ordering, full guide step by step clearly. To log into Lowe Pro for remodeling quotes and ordering, start by opening your web browser. Type in the URL for Lowe's website. Once the page loads, locate the Pro option on the top menu bar. Click on the Pro option to access the Lowe Pro section. In the top right corner, you will see the Sign In button. Click the Sign In button to proceed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Then, input your password in the second field. If you want to stay logged in on this device, check the Remember Me box. After filling in your credentials, click on the Sign In button. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. Once logged in, navigate to the Renovation or Remodeling section. Browse through available products or services based on your needs. For quotes, select the desired items and add them to your cart. Follow the instructions to request a quote from a Lowe Pro specialist. To place an order, review your cart and make any necessary adjustments. Proceed to checkout by clicking the Checkout button. Fill in your delivery and payment information as prompted. Review your order details one last time before finalizing. Click the Place Order button to complete your purchase. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation and further details. Congratulations, you're now logged in and ready to manage your remodeling projects through Lowe Pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.